Welcome dear friends, in this video we will discuss idioms of CSS English paper 1987. So let's start. Back out. It means to withdraw from a commitment, agreement or undertaking, to fail to fulfill a promise or obligation. यानी किसी अहद या मुआहदे से दस्तबरदार होना या किसी वादे या जिम्मेदारी को पूरा करने में नाकाम रहना. Example sentences. He promised to help with the project, but at the last minute he decided to back out. To keep out of. It means to avoid becoming involved in something, to stay away from a situation or activity. यानी किसी चीज़ में मुलविस होने से बचना या किसी सूरत-ए-हाल या सरगर्मी से दूर रहना. Example sentences. She decided to keep out of the argument and not get involved in the disagreement between her friends. Bang into. It means to collide with or meet suddenly and forcefully. अचानक और ज़बरदस्ती से टकराना या मिलना. Example sentences. She was not paying attention and banged into the door. To smell a rat. It means to suspect that something is wrong or to detect signs of deceit or danger. यानी शक करना कि कुछ गलत है या धोखाधड़ी या ख़तरे की अलामात का पता लगाना. Example sentences. When the employee suddenly resigned just before the financial audit, the manager began to smell a rat. To burn one's fingers. It means to suffer harm or negative consequences as a result of one's own actions or decisions. किसी के अपने आमाल या फैसलों के नतीजे में नुकसान या मनफी नताइज भुगतना. Example sentences. She invested all her savings in that risky business and ended up burning her fingers when it failed. Null and void. It means without legal force or effect or invalid. यानी कानूनी ताकत के बगैर या गलत. Example sentences. The outdated contract became null and void after both parties agreed to terminate it. To catch up with. It means to reach the same level or status as someone or something, often after a period of effort or improvement. किसी की या किसी चीज़ की तरह की सतह या हैसियत तक पहुंचना, अक्सर कोशिश या बेहतरी के मुद्दत के बाद. Example sentences. After years of hard work, Sarah finally managed to catch up with her more experienced colleagues in the company. To stand up for. To support or defend someone or something, especially in the face of opposition or adversity. किसी चीज़ या किसी बंदे की हिमायत करना, ख़ास तौर पर उस मौके पर जब उस चीज़ या उस बंदे की हिमायत की मुखालिफत की जा रही हो. Example sentences. Despite facing criticism from her colleagues, Sarah always stands up for what she believes is right. To skim through. It means to quickly glance through or read something superficially without going into details. तफसीलात में जाने के बगैर किसी चीज़ पर तेज़ी से नज़र डालना या सतही तौर पर पढ़ना. Example sentences. After receiving the thick manual, she decided to skim through it to get a general idea of its contents. To narrow down. It means to reduce the number of possibilities or choices, to make a list, range or selection smaller. यानी इम्कानात या इंतखाबात की तादाद को कम करना, फ़हरिस्त, हद या इंतखाब को छोटा बनाने के लिए. Example sentences. The manager decided to narrow down the list of potential candidates for the job to make the selection process more manageable. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.